Strength of Nature is constantly innovating to meet the ever-evolving styling needs of our consumer. Our brands target African American women and children ranging from age 6 to 55. To reach our consumer, we use the 360 marketing approach, which incorporates social media, traditional media, digital media, grassroots activations, and public relations. Our marketing plan has complete synergy with the sales team, ensuring the growth of each brand. Take a look at our marketing team. "91% of African Americans believe that Black media is more relevant to them." We currently reach over 100,000 consumers and fans via Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.
Beautiful Black women in the house. MegaGrowth, you know, they're promoting strengthening hair, healthy hair.
I like being here for a company that's about health care.
African Pride is very much about affordable beauty. So all of the products you see up here in major retailers, you can get it for $3.99 or less.
We're doing a new campaign of African Pride. We started this journey some years ago, and we came out and we really celebrated the fact that women are beautiful and gorgeous. This collection speaks to that.
I think it's a blessing for us as women to be more confident and secure in our natural hair.
I definitely have seen women really rocking their natural hair.
I'm really excited about this new line. It boasts really great ingredients and it's affordable.
Classic hair care brand Elasta QP turns 30 this year, and we took over the 2012 Summer Bronner Brothers International Hair Show to celebrate iconic style.
I've been using Elasta QP for years at this point. You know, I dye my hair, have color, but it's consistent. It always works. It leaves my hair shiny, it leaves it manageable, it leaves defined curls, so it's perfect for me. Oh, that smells good.
Is it safe to eat?
No.
Oh. Are you sure?
What does it smell like?
Butter.
It smells divine. I love it.
Strength of Nature will continue to cultivate new programs across the globe to build brand awareness.